If you're a small business owner still creating invoices in Excel or Word, then manually downloading them, then opening WhatsApp, then attaching the file one by one, you're wasting time. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional invoice and send it to your customer on WhatsApp in seconds. No accounting software, no complicated setup, no stress. Let's get started. First, go to Invoice Text. I've added the link in the description below. Click Create Invoice to begin. Next, choose a layout that fits your brand. I'll go with the classic design. Now enter your business details, your business name, phone number, and logo. This makes your invoice look clean and professional. Then add your client's information, their name and phone number. Make sure the phone number includes the country code, like +44, because WhatsApp requires it. The invoice number, date, and currency are automatically generated to save you time, but you can edit them anytime. Now list your products or services. As you type, the app calculates everything instantly. Totals, subtotals, everything. No manual math. If you charge tax, just enter it in the tax field below, and it's added automatically. Once everything looks good, review your invoice preview to make sure it's perfect. Then click Send. That's it. Your client receives a professional PDF directly in their WhatsApp chat. They can open it instantly or download it with one click. No back and forth, no file confusion, no messy formatting, just simple, fast invoicing.